Hello, here's another AQA Physics multi-choice question on mechanics. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. Here's my explanation. Mechanical power is a vector quantity. No, it's not a vector quantity, it's a scalar quantity. I can prove that in two ways. We know that power is equal to work done in time. Both work and time are scalar quantities, and if you multiply or divide scalar by another scalar, you get a scalar quantity. We can also say that power is equal to force multiplied by velocity. Force is a vector and velocity is a vector, and I'm afraid if you multiply a vector by a vector, you end up with a scalar again. So mechanical power is a scalar, not a vector quantity. It's measured in joules. No, it's measured in watts. We could say it's measured in joules per second, but it's not measured in joules. That's energy. Has the base units of kilogram meter squared per second cubed. Let's have a look, see why that is true. So we can say, and we said earlier on, that power equals the change in work over time. So that means a watt is equal to, well, work is done in joules and time in seconds. We can say that work done is equal to force times distance. So from that we can say that a joule is equal to a newton meter. I could exchange newton meters for joules there and give me watts as equal to newtons meter per second. And I can say that force equals mass times acceleration. So I can say a newton is equal to a kilogram meter per second squared. I can substitute this for newtons here, and I'm going to get a watt is a kilogram meter squared per second cubed, which is answer C. If you found this video useful and helpful, click on that subscribe button please. Share with your friends, hit the like button, and watch more of them in the series. Thank you for watching.